Alley Girl Pro Conceal.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing very well. So in today's video I'm going to recreate this makeup look, that is the Instagram trending eagle makeup look. I really love this look. This is kind of a smoky eyes with nude lips and bronzy face. I really love and enjoying this makeup look. Every time I saw the makeup videos and pictures on Instagram, they just amaze me. There is so much talent it's going on Instagram, and really wanted to recreate one of the gorgeous makeup look, and I took the screenshot of that. I will show you. And if you really wanted to know how I get this luxurious soft glam makeup look with smoky eyes, you need to stick around me and watch this video till the end. So before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss my any video. So without any further delay, let's jump in the video. So firstly, I'm going to use a Cetaphil moisturizing lotion to hydrate my face. And then I'm going to use a PAC makeup moisturizing lotion. It's really beautiful moisturizing lotion. Most of the time I use this PAC makeup moisturizing lotion because it gives me such a nice hydration and also gives me the glow underneath my foundation. So I really love this moisturizing lotion. So next for foundation, I'm going to use a L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation. And this is in shade Amber 32. This is really amazing foundation. Again, it gives you a really medium to full coverage and also with a nice matte finish. Also perfect for today's makeup look. So initially I was so confused about the title or name of this look because I really wanted to give a really unique or different title or name to this look because it's more like a smoky nude glam or sharp makeup look. So the first name that was hit in my mind, that is eagle. So that's how I come up with this name, like Instagram trending eagle makeup look. I'm really glad that I come up with this name because it's look really deserve this kind of name. So now for concealer, I'm going to use a LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in shade medium beige. To highlight my under eye area, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this is in shade medium. Now for setting my face, I'm going to use a Revlon loose finishing powder, and this is in shade light medium. I just quickly done my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm going to use this shade to set my eyes. Now firstly I'm going to start with my eyelid. So I'm taking this black shade and applying all over my eyelid, and this palette is from No7. After that, I'm going to take this cocoa shade and applying on my crease and also blend it with my black shade. Now to add little bit more smokiness, I'm going to use this Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner and just applying a little bit amount, going to blend it with my brush. Then taking this warm shade and applying on my outer corners and then dragging into my crease. I took a lot of screenshots of makeup looks from Instagram, and at the last I finalized this makeup look. It's a really gorgeous look. I also like the black smoky eyes. I really wanted to recreate this makeup look. So also this look is more like a luxurious look, like you can imagine, like this look is achieved by using a high-end products. I really wanted to recreate this look by using affordable products, so we can also achieve this kind of makeup look. So I think I used mostly the drugstore products, which is really amazing. So girls, we can achieve a luxurious look. Now I'm just buffing all the shades together, and so there is no any harsh line. I'm going to use a same color from No7 palette and applying on my lower lash lines. Now I'm going to use a same cocoa shade that I used for my crease and applying on my lower lash lines. Now for contour my face, I'm going to use a NYX Wonder Stick Highlight Plus Contour Stick. I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick just to make my contour more visible. Now I'm using this highlighter to highlight my under eye area, bridge of nose, and etc. Now for bronzer my face, I'm going to use a Neon Blush and Contour palette. Now for blush, I'm going to take again Neon Blush and Contour palette, and I'm going to take this blush. So I just put my lashes on off camera. So now for mascara, I'm going to use a Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara. for highlighter, I'm going to use a Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter. Now for lips, I'm going to take a Sephora palette, and this has really beautiful like creamy lip shades. So I'm going to take this. So firstly, I'm going to take this one. So that's it, that's the final result. I hope you guys love and enjoying this makeup look. Really love this look. The eyes, lips and face, all is just perfect, and I hope you guys also love and enjoying this makeup look. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so we can grow our YouTube family. So till then, bye, and I will see you in the next video.